evening and welcome to Biz News. I'm Elizabeth Lee together with Tony Lopez.
Good evening, Beth.
Tonight we're going to talk about how great the Philippine furniture industry is with our guests, Mr. Eduardo Duque Zuluaga, who is the event chairman for the Chamber of Furniture Industries of the Philippines, CFIP. And we have Mr. Remigio Reggie Lastimoso, who is event chairman for Pampanga Furniture Industries Foundation. And then we have Savio Ajun Valenzuela Jr., who's the executive director of CFIP. Thank you, gentlemen, for being on our show.
Oh, thank you for having us.
Chamber of Furniture Industries, plural, no? How many companies are there in the chamber?
It fluctuates from time to time depending on their
the average,
financial level. Mga 1,200 siguro.
1,200.
Oh, that's a good number.
Yeah.
Quite big, huh?
Yeah. Well,
It accounts for how much of the output of the furniture industry of the Philippines?
70%.
70%.
You'll have to ask Adjun for the figures. Because
you're the
70% in
stat
terms
guy,
of value
Ajun.
or volume?
no, he's younger.
In value,
Value.
He's
And that
younger,
value
he
is
can
what?
still
How much?
around 874 million.
874
total
million
furniture production, yeah.
dollars.
Dollars, yeah.
Dollars. Oh. So 8 times 50. That's almost what? 4 billion?
Almost
4 billion only.
Maliit pa nga yun.
Maliit pa lang.
Maliit.
Maliit pa yan.
And out of the 4 billion, 1 billion, 1.5 billion is exported.
274 million, around 274 million US dollars.
274.
That's currently.
That's current.
That's current.
Based on
As
the
of last year.
based on last year's figure.
That's based on last year. But you actually had a peak a couple of years ago.
Yeah.
More than that. What was the peak? What's the number
We
for our
reached
peak?
460 million in 2005.
Yeah,
For both
460,
furniture and
almost
furnishings.
500 billion.
For
Almost
exports, yeah.
What happened?
Every 30 years, an industry dies. Actually, the export
economic
markets.
turndown
Yeah.
for the U.S. market, because we have, as I said, 70% of our total export is U.S.
70% of
70%.
exports
800,
go to...
$875 million.
Yeah.
Mga 32 billion pesos pala yan.
32 billion.
32 billion pesos. No? Quite big. And out of that, 10 billion pesos are exported.
Yeah, and aside from that, yeah, of course, quite big, no, yung in terms of value, but of course, in terms of employment din, malaki yung impact namin sa
These
employment.
1,200 companies, they employ how many people?
1,200 companies employing 2.1 million direct and indirect workers.
2.1 million
Yeah,
people.
yeah, 2.1 million.
Ganyan karami employment nyo.
and then if you work how many are affected, tricycle drivers,
Yeah.
yung nagbebenta sa
Indirect.
restaurant, indirect na ganyan, umabot na
Industry support.
5.4
10
million.
5.4. Mga 5.4.
5.4 million, and then
So we can actually elect a senator.
Di ba masyado malaki yung 2.1? That means you're employing 1,700 people per company.
1,700 people.
Oh.
there are
Some companies have really 2,000, more than that.
2,000?
Yeah, the big scale. Big one.
But is that in factories or do you contract out for, like in barangays?
Example,
in
one factory,
Yeah.
they have about 4 branches. One factory have employed about 400
Ikaw, Reggie, what's your factory? What's the name of your company?
country accents.
Country
Accents.
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 And you produce what kind of furniture?
Basically, we are producing rattan.
Rattan.
Rattan, wood, then metal, mixed
A
media.
combination.
Combination, mixed.
Ano ang pinakamarami? Rattan.
Rattan is our...
Rattan is still in vogue.
Sorry?
I mean, ano pa ba? Hindi
It's
pa siya
trending.
nalalaos.
Is rattan still trending?
Actually, rattan furniture is going down.
Going down.
Not actually the whole market, but it's because of the competitor.
Mas mura sa ang imported.
Because in Asia, we are according to the buyer, we are
The most
expensive. But
We're the most
Ang
expensive.
Philippines most expensive.
we have the design,
Oh.
expensive, but we
Craftsmanship.
have the design craftsmanship.
Oh. But raw material were very
attention to
expensive.
detail. Raw material, that's one factor also. Becoming very expensive
Ba't ba ang
now.
mahal ng Philippines?
Labor, logistics,
Logistics
electricity,
I think logistics
name
is
it,
number one.
the whole
Nandyan na
gamut.
lahat.
Nandyan na
Mataas ang labor.
Yeah.
We have among the highest wages in Southeast Asia. No?
Yeah.
We are only, we're number 2 to Singapore, di ba? We're even more expensive than Malaysia.
In fact, how we used to counter the high cost of labor is we subcontract. Like a company like Reggie would go to a village,
Subcontract.
give them
Subcontracting, yes.
the design, train them how to do it, and then bale subcontractor, Pacquiao na yun sila.
Subcontractor, but how do you ensure the consistency of quality?
Yeah.
What we did is we have this key persons, like quality control.
Meron kayong mga ganon.
Step by step, let's say
Kung
framing,
mukha na ratan,
carpentry.
hindi joke-joke yun. Iinit mo para mabaluktot
Yeah,
at
we
the
have
right
some.
angle,
We
di
provide
ba?
jigs. We provide jigs to the subcontractor.
may
so
jigs,
everything will be consistent as far as the design.
You provide them equipment, the subcontractor?
Yeah, sometimes we can provide them.
Train them, the know-how. In fact, that became a problem for us because you go into a certain village, you teach them how to make. So this is innovative product. This is how you do it. So another company, that's your competitor, will go there and say, "Oh, can you do this for me?" And that subcontractor will say, "Oh, that's the old way of doing furniture. This is the new way." So there's a transfer of technology.
Ibibisto ka niya?
Oh. So for a time that became
Ayun,
a
hindi ko
problem
pwedeng
for us.
batukan
But
yun.
the reason why you want to do the subcontract work is because not all the companies can afford to employ everybody, and then the cost of coming to the
Kasi
factory.
pag subcontract, you go around the minimum wage, di ba? Per day lang yan.
That too,
Per,
that too.
Or per piece.
Negosyo na nila yun. Negosyo na nila yun. Nasa
Hindi
kanila
ka
na yun.
magbabayad ng
Yeah.
SSS,
But you give
Medicare,
them a livelihood.
no?
You give them a
Actually,
livelihood.
subcontracting is one thing, is to ensure your cost. Because you have the budget. So, when it is labor and usually labor and material.
So, ite-training mo yung mga tao ng subcontractor, you provide them equipment like
Yes.
jigs. Babalik naman yung makina na yun? O
Yeah,
sabi niya, nasira siya?
subcontractors, that is their investment. The jigs we provided by free. But
I-replicate naman nila yung jig. Kasi kung isa lang yung jig ang gawin mo, mabagal. So, i-time and motion mo yan. Kailangan nila gumawa ng 20 na.
replicate ang jig? Di ba minomolde sa factory yun?
No.
Ano?
Ang mga jigs, this is not a CNC thing that you make it. It's run by a computer. These are jigs where you pattern the rattan or the wood to
Pattern the
ensure that it's
shape.
the same shape.
we provide in the pole size, drawing,
Manual lang yun.
manual. Yes.
So you do this to lower the cost. How efficient is it to do it this way?
Because
Are you still doing it this way?
yeah, we have
The
we have-
labor budget, what component of production? Out of 1,000 pesos, how much is labor? How many percent?
Usually we have to
30.
pay the labor of 30 to 40%.
30 to 40?
Yes.
Malaki din.
And then the material is about another 40. So
Tapos 30, ano pa next highest cost nyo?
raw material
Raw material, that's what? 40?
about 40.
40, di may 30% ka na. Papasok pa yung kuryente mo.
Overhead.
Rent mo.
Yes,
Transportation.
overhead,
Transportation.
Transportation.
Ano na matitira sa'yo? Makaka 10% ka pa, di na?
Stress.
We are aiming hopefully for 10%. That's
Net of
you're lucky.
everything.
Yes,
That's
you're
the
lucky.
goal.
Yeah, that's the goal.
10% ang hina niya na.
But we speaking of
Kaya,
volume.
kaya kailangan volume,
Volume.
economies of scale.
Volume.
Yeah.
But,
So-
and you were
Yeah.
saying, well, we were talking earlier about the local market. So why don't you shift to the local market? The problem with the local market is the prices are good, but the volumes are not there.
The volumes are not there. Kala ko by booming housing industry.
Yes, but how many will order 30,000 chairs? Or how many will order 5,000
Bahay-bahay
plates?
lang pala yan, ha?
Diba? So,
Individual households.
even if you get a Shangri-La hotel, which is a 700-room hotel, that's only 700 beds. And if your target market, if you're going
Who
to
will
make
give you the volume, Joke?
export, kasi
Export will give you the
Export market,
volume.
yeah.
that's why the French are now showing in Singapore, because sa Indonesia na lang 280 million na tao yun eh. Sa atin, if we're 100 million already, we're 1/3 of the world's population. So, and then we have money. Sila kasi when they come, they say, "Oh, you're too expensive. I can't afford to buy your
Sinasabi
life."
sa inyo, ganon?
Sinasabi namin, "No, you have no money."
Silang barat.
Wala na silang pera. Hindi sila barat. Gusto nila yung produkto. Wala na silang pera eh. Kasi
Sila halos pamigay mo.
But see, they're coming in here to take a look at our collective market.
Our designs.
yeah.
So
Crate and Barrel is opening up in the Philippines.
Crate and
Yeah.
barrel.
Yeah, they're opening up in the Philippines. All
Pero
of that.
high-end na ano yun, niche
In the States, hindi
outlet.
high-end yan.
Ang Crate and Barrel?
Ang high-end.
Crate and barrel is more in the middle.
Crate
Tayo
and
kasi...
barrel, pag pumasok ka
tayo-
sa tindahan yan, may na $500 ang maubo
Retail.
sa'yo,
That's
Mura
retail.
yan, mura
Yeah.
yan. But if you look at the designer prices, the furniture, nothing is below $2,000. And then
Ayun,
may
ah.
waiting 7 weeks.
Ganon?
Yung
Pag
ganun.
nag-order ka ng piece.
Oh.
all right, we're going to continue this discussion. We'll be right back. You're watching Biz News.
Reggie Duke. So to promote the Philippine furniture industry, you have this annual furniture show or
Yes.
exhibit. No?
Yes.
And this one this year is going to be held when?
It's held on the 14th to the 17th of March. That's already this coming week. And what's happening there is that this is one of 6 shows in the ASEAN circuit.
One of 6 shows.
So
there are
it's
6 countries that are doing its own
Furniture
their own
show.
furniture.
So we are the circuit.
Circuit.
So we step on each other 2 days. The shows are 4 days. We step on each other 2 days. So it starts in Malaysia, goes to Singapore, comes to the Philippines, Thailand, Vietnam, so on.
Indonesia.
I don't know about Thailand. No? So this is the circuit. So the buyers are out of their country no more than a week.
Isang swing lang yung foreign
swing
buyer.
lang, yung
and he
foreign buyer.
visits 6 countries.
Yes, if he has the energy. Most of the time, he already has something in mind. And a recent study by CBI showed that 60% of people that visit exhibitions now don't buy.
Why? Tingin-tingin lang?
They're looking for the trend. What's the latest, ano yung uso, and then they wait.
Wait how many months?
Probably a month or 2. They wait for it to trend, and then they see, sige, now we're going to buy. Dati kasi, they gamble.
Order kagad sila.
Order kaagad sila. Ito, papatok talaga to, ordering ko to. Because of the scarcity of funds, kung hindi, they're stuck with furniture they cannot sell or
Carrying
not
cost,
work.
no?
Yung carrying cost nila. So, the Philippines now is becoming more a trend show.
So, ang Philippines, pangilan sa exhibit series na yan?
Pangatlo tayo.
Pangatlo. Galing na yung buyer sa Singapore?
Galing siya sa Malaysia.
Malaysia?
Oo, tapos punta siya sa Singapore. But normally kasi Singapore is the hub. They stay in Singapore, fly to Malaysia, come back, then they fly to the Philippines or Thailand.
Pag nauna na ang Singapore, Malaysia, medyo may tulog ka na. Kasi first impression, last eh.
Hindi, ang nangyayari kasi is we try to be, actually we used to be the first show in the circuit. Kasi gusto ng Singapore, pumunta muna sila sa Rustans bago sila dumaan sa Cubao or sa Divisoria.
Parang ganun.
So, bumumukha silang
So,
inexpensive.
because the French Maison et Objet decided to open in Singapore and took their spot, imangkas sila dun sa show ng Singapore, inurong ng Singapore yung show nila. So now, tapat na, halos pareho na yung show dates natin with Singapore.
Ganun.
But, buyers who come to Asia, they travel 10 hours, they already know where they're going to go. What they want to see. That's why...
Advance booking yan sa aeroplano.
That's why our show is always different. In the
How different?
It's always different. This show has been running for almost 30 years now. I've only been a chairman for 12. I'm trying to get myself fired. Maybe this show will fire me. But I've never gone to a show where hindi ako, wow, bago to bago yan eh. And the reason for that is no buyer goes into a store and says, ano ba luma dito? Gusto ko bilhin. What's old? I want to buy it.
Laging bago?
Yeah. They always,
Kayo naman, pagdating ng mga buyers, paano pare, ito, bago to. Anong mga bago nyo?
like,
In this year, anong mga bago nyo?
almost 20% of everything that we show,
It's new,
no, almost 80% is new.
80.
20% is ito yung
recycled.
ito yung pambayad ng booth ng exhibition kasi ito sigurado patok to eh. This will always move. It's just a
Old reliable.
Old reliable. Meron kami niyan, old reliable.
80%, ano makikita ng buyers during your exhibit this week?
80% are the ones that you're looking that would be trending.
Yes. So we, as a chamber, PhilExport, si Serge, had us bring in a trend specialist. We had a trend seminar. What's her name?
Foreign designer.
Foreign designer.
They're actually trend specialists. What they go is they forecast the color. This is what's going in fashion.
Ano ba patok na color ngayon?
It's shifting more
Bright
colors.
Are we going to organic?
It's going
to
to
more
it's going
color,
to bronze, to copper, to gold, old gold. African prints are there.
African?
African,
Prints?
yung animal, parang
motif.
animal
Tiger,
motifs na yan.
Peacock.
It's going into olives, olive greens, and stuff like that. And then the natural kasi is always there. That's why the Filipino furniture has always the natural weaving.
Natural, yung haspi, gano'n?
Yung brown colors. Yung
brown,
mga, Nandun parati yun
Red
because
color.
that's the safe color.
Yeah.
If you notice that the computers, the desktop computers were always in beige.
Bakit? Shape color.
Safe eh. Kasi ma-match. Kung green ka, ang inventory mo na computer is green, tapos red yung motif ng ano, so hindi magka-clash eh.
Paano yung
Yeah.
Apple? Ginawa nilang white.
Kasi ang Apple, wala silang pakialam kung ano yung ano, kasi ito
may
yung
sarili
style
silang
namin.
mundo.
May sarili silang mundo eh.
So should we be a little bit more like Apple? How do we distinguish ourselves from Indonesia, from
ano bang
Malaysia?
competitive edge nyo?
Well,
Everybody's copying each
Mahal
other.
tayo.
How
Mahal
do
ang
we-
raw material. Ang panlaban lang natin, design, creativity,
At yabang.
imagination.
Yeah.
Oh, yun nga.
Yabang. No, well, that's
How much premium is
that's
that?
why
Plus
that's
30%.
why one of the most successful furniture designers, who's an artist who happens to be a furniture designer, is
Yeah.
Kenneth Kobonpue.
Why?
He wants to make sure that this piece
It's unique.
is unique and it speaks of the natural material of the it has a sense of place when you
Yeah.
see it.
Yeah.
Ito kasi
belongs to the environment.
Ito kasi pag tinignan mo yung furniture nyo, this is not from the Philippines. Crocodile, leather, we don't have that. So it has no sense of place.
Diba, ang dami sa kongreso niya?
I'm not saying na wala silang sense of place, pero yun yung ano natin ba, is that our designers design with a sense of place. Now,
Kenneth captures that.
yes. The essence of
Tapos
that
may
he captures.
unique.
Ang problema lang nga niyan, di ba? Mahal
And
siya.
then it's the same old material, he gives it a new interpretation.
Yes. Because the
And the
only
interpretation is so fluid, it becomes natural, no?
yeah.
Is that the niche we're looking at?
And how many Kenneth Kobonpues do we have?
We can't be all artists eh. Di ba? How can you be unique? All of you are unique. Hindi pwede.
But the Filipino talent has proven himself or herself to be world class. We just won the original song for a movie 4 times. EGOT, di ba?
Well-
Emmy, Grammy, Tony, and Oscar. EGOT. One of 12 winners.
Talent
Only
kasi,
12.
talent is not an issue with the Filipino.
Not an issue.
It's not
But
an
how do you
issue with the
project that talent and command a prize?
Actually,
Kulang tayo.
anywhere you go, like we came from
Kilalang
a meeting
Filipino
in
furniture
Vietnam. We
na-
came from a meeting in Vietnam and in Shanghai.
Acknowledge nila tayong
And then
talent
sabi
natin.
nila, pagdating sa design, wala. Ang problema nga nila is, pahingi naman ng konti ng mga designer ninyo.
Ano, magagaling mga designer natin.
Kasi they want to get their hands on it. Kami naman, as an industry, they're saying, but yun na lang nga yung ating treasure, ibibigay pa natin. Our problem with that is that if we hold on to the designers and don't give them enough work,
Yeah.
they
leave.
they'll either look for another career or because they can't make a living out of it. And eventually we'll lose them. But if you lend them out to Indonesia, so may kaibigan ka na sa Indonesia, pare, pinhiram ko sa iyo yung designer ko ha. And then pag mayroon ng produkto, ako na magdadala niyan sa Pilipinas because
Ganon.
realistically the buying power of the Filipino is much better than most countries because
In ASEAN.
in ASEAN because of their sense of taste. Eh.
Magaling ang taste ng Pinoy.
Oh.
Actually,
Tapos may pera siya.
actually,
Yes.
it happens.
Tapos mayabang
Ano
siya.
nga, if you're 100 million and 10% control 90% of the wealth, that's 10 million stinking rich Filipinos. Eh. That's twice the population of Singapore.
Oo nga, tama.
So yun na lang ang bentahan mo
Oh,
muna.
in fact, the size of our economy is bigger than that of Singapore. Di ba,
Much
halimbawa
more
sila, $20,000 per capita, time is 5 million. Eh tayo, $3,300 per capita, time is 100 million. Di ang laki nun, $330 billion.
Kaya nandito Coca-Cola lahat. Everybody is here. Now like the furniture stores in Singapore, their biggest problem during our conference is paano ngayon we need to move out of the malls.
Bakit daw?
Masyado nang mahal eh.
Mahal ang rent.
Ang rent. Kami, matagal na kami umalis sa malls eh. Kasi hindi
Hindi
talaga
nyo kaya yung
namin
mga-
kaya yung overhead eh. You know, our philosophy, like in our show, we want to target the 10,000 buyers or visitors that come
That will
to
come
our
to the show.
That will come to the show. Because if
How
every,
much does sales
if
do you
every
produce?
15 minutes, if every 15
How
minutes
much
I talk
sales-
to a buyer, I talk to a buyer every 15 minutes in my company, in my store. At the end of the year, I will only be able to talk to 9,150 people.
Lang.
Lang. Eh ito, 4 days. Kung makapasok ka ng 10,000 people that can see your product, I can do 1 year's work in 4 days.
Tama.
All right, we're going to continue this discussion. We'll be right back. You're watching Biz News. So Duke, Reggie, Arjuna, what's going to be our strategy? 2015 is coming. We're supposed to be one happy family in ASEAN, and we're manufacturing this here in the Philippines. So how do you see that? Is it going to be one happy family
Integration of ASEAN,
for
zero
furniture?
tariff among
Well,
10 countries.
As an industry, we're already talking about it. A lot of yung mga takot nila is that what happens if they come? There's no way to defend against it because they're coming. So what you do is you go after their markets also. So
Yeah, paano nga masasakyan and compete in integration?
well, as chambers, we sit down with other chambers and we rationally talk about are
Kasi
we
hindi naman pwedeng daanin nyo na lagi sa yabang. Basta mas magaling tayo dyan. Mas malaki.
Hindi, kailangan
mas maganda
puntahan
utak
mo.
natin. Mas creative tayo.
we need to really
How do you
go.
translate
We
that
need
into
to really
bottom
go.
line?
We need to really go and penetrate the market.
The ASEAN ba, Joke, is a good market for furniture?
Yes.
Yes,
Reggie?
ASEAN, yeah.
Ikaw, saan ka nagbebenta ng furniture?
We
mo?
are
Export?
selling to Japan.
Japan?
Yes. We have before we are selling to Taiwan.
Oh.
Small
Hindi naman
but-
ASEAN
Where
yan,
it's
eh.
not ASEAN.
Ano,
Yeah,
How do you-
Asian
it's
market.
Asian market. That's
as far
ASEAN. I'm
we
talking about
call
Asian
it the
market.
local market.
Yeah,
eh.
Oh, global, local.
Our number 4 exports now is
Ano, no?
Indonesia. Number
Indonesia?
4,
They want Philippine furniture?
They want Philippine
Bakit,
furniture.
Ajun? Ano yung nakikita
siguro
niyo sa furniture
the
natin?
boom in the construction in Indonesia.
Also?
Yeah. And then, kung medyo parehas tayo ng materyales, materyales na available din dito. So,
Mura materials nila kasi hindi pa nila pinapatay mga forest nila, di ba?
yeah.
Oh.
And we are very lucky as an industry because we're part of the ASEAN Furniture Industries Council. So we talk to our counterparts in the ASEAN region.
So, sino mga biggest seller ngayon sa Philippine furniture sa Indonesia?
Sa Indonesia, yung data lang ang hawak namin pero hindi yung
Doon sa
actual na...
874, sabi mo, 1/3. It's about $300 million almost, di ba? Makano doon ang Indonesia?
Doon mga 10% doon ng...
$30 million
kasi
ang Indonesia.
50+% sa US market pa rin.
Still US.
Yeah, and then...
Until now.
It's still.
And then Europe and then Japan and then surprisingly number 4 is Indonesia.
Indonesia. Reggie, ikaw saan ka nag-export? Japan?
We have some buyers in Japan. And then
How
usually,
much do you produce annually, Reggie, your furniture? Ano ba brand ng furniture mo?
the name is Country Accents.
Ano?
Country Accents.
the
Country
name.
Accent. Oh.
Yeah,
Country name.
so-
So before we are really exporting to the US, big quantity.
May outlet ka sa US?
Yes. No, to the retailers.
Sino mga
Yeah.
retailers mo?
Like Pottery Barn,
Pottery Barn.
some
Yeah.
chain of stores.
Reggie, what kind of furniture? Is it like tables, everything?
Everything. We have,
Furniture, eh.
let's say, dining, we have living room. Usually
Sets,
made of rattan. As I said,
Pottery
It's
Barn,
under
di ba
rattan.
parang niche retailer yon?
Yeah,
Wala ka sa mga Target, Walmart, Costco, wala?
no
Wala
target.
silang
We
ganyan?
are in different level.
Hindi pa.
Yeah, we are in this level. Target, I think, is
Yeah, it's lower.
price something.
So, okay ka sa
Yeah.
Pottery Barn, mataas ang presyo niya.
Yeah, Pottery Barn. We have Pier 1 imports to mention. Yeah,
Pier
yeah,
1,
yeah.
And then India, do they compete in that also?
India, actually,
Sino kalaban mo sa stage? Pagpasok mo sa Pottery Barn or sa Pier 1?
Yun na.
dami
ASEAN
kalaban.
din,
Ayun nga,
ASEAN.
Indonesia.
So here, Indonesia, number one.
Indonesia,
because
pumapasok.
Indonesia and Philippines are the same. They are
Yeah.
using
Same
natural
material.
material, like
Yes.
wood and rattan.
Oh.
So that's really a big competitive.
And yet Indonesia buys from us.
Yeah.
So what do they buy? What is it? A different design that they buy from us? Because
Well, we don't have the specifics on the
Pero
on what they are
Indonesia,
buying
meron
from
silang
us.
parang yung brand, no? Yung Bali Furniture. Mga ethnic. Tayo walang ganon.
Bali furniture, they are more on the teak. They are using
Teak, oh.
The
Tayo walang ganon. Ano tayo,
recycled,
nara? Wala
recycled
tayong nara.
teak,
Oh.
very popular in Indonesia. The carvings,
Oh.
they have this carving.
Tayo walang ganon. Ano ba sa atin? Meron tayo, Igorot Carving. Pero hindi naman siya branded as Igorot abroad.
So still, my question hasn't been answered, really. I mean, how do we compete? Do we do a niche?
All you need
Or-
is 5%.
What is the 5% for?
Just
5% of what?
A 5% market or a target of 5% for Indonesia, 5% for Malaysia, 5% for Singapore, 5%.
Malaki na yon.
Malaki na. Pag
The whole
sinama
ASEAN
total
ba,
na
how
yan.
much is the furniture demand?
Well, we're already a third of the world population. So if you divide that, kasi ang kagaya sa Malaysia, 3 billion yung furniture industry nila.
$3 billion?
They export 1.5, I think 1.3 billion.
One half of their,
Vietnam is also in the 3 billion. Ang export
Vietnam,
lang
naunahan pa tayo sa
ang,
furniture.
4.5 billion.
ang ano nila, and then they export 2 billion
2/3 of their production?
production. They export, yan. Lahat yan sila. Ang Indonesia, tsaka tayo lang yung mababa yung...
Bakit ganun? Naunahan pa tayo ng mga Vietnamese.
Hindi
Eh,
ko
galing
alam
sa
kasi
gera yun eh.
ako
Is
hindi
it
ako
pricing?
hindi ako naniniwala kasi
Ano,
hindi ako
Ricky?
naniniwala
Actually,
dun eh.
Vietnam, when they started, about 5 years, they reached into billions already. Since
Bilis sila?
Yeah, bilis sila. Compared to us,
Naka-scale up?
for how many years?
Tayo
we
na, wala
only-
pa
Why?
$900
Why?
million.
Why?
Yeah, but take
Um,
note.
it-
Is it pricing? Is it
Number
labor
one
cost?
is the pricing. Number
Yeah.
two,
Mas mura sila?
They invested a lot. The government support.
Inalagaan sila ng government.
Yes, the government role is very significant.
Ba't ang Indonesia, ang Vietnam may raw material? Ano kanila?
They don't
Wala
have raw
silang
material.
raw
They
material.
import their
They
import their
import.
wood from
Parang
Burma,
electronics sila eh.
Cambodia. But a lot of
Yung design
factory-
nila, kamusta? Ba't sila,
No,
why
they're-
do they sell more than 3 times
no,
as we
their
do?
design is, this
It's not their own design. It's
not own design. But
It's
the
buyer.
buyer
Binibigyan
comes with
sila
the
ng
design.
pattern.
Give them the design.
we have
Pwede
this.
gawin na lang.
If there is
Kuha din
dying
tayo ng
chair,
pattern.
if there is
Yeah,
dying chair, they can
ang-
make it more volume. So when they
volume.
make more volume, it's the price will be go down.
So the investment is in the factories? The investment
Investment
is in the
factory,
factories.
yes.
Tapos ano
That's the
incentive
thing.
na nila sa gobyerno, mga Indonesian furniture makers?
Now the Vietnam furniture makers, they have
Yeah.
this soft loan.
May soft loan.
Yeah.
Magkano interest ng soft 3?
I think it's 3%,
3%
5%.
tayo. Magkano ang bayad mo sa working capital mo? Loan.
Wow. Magkano pa yun dati?
8%?
Before we even reached 20%.
Nag 20% ka pa?
Yeah, we back
Mas malaki ba kinikita ng
way back
bangko
in
mo?
90, something like that.
Mas malaki ba kinikita ng bangko mo?
And then down.
Dati-
Hindi, ngayon, magkano ang binabayad mo sa working cap, ha?
Medyo 10 na
Ngayon,
rin.
dapat mo mas
Medyo mababa na ngayon.
Magkano ang interest ngayon?
Siguro mga 10%, 11%.
10% mahal yan, ha?
Mahal pa.
Yung inflation, wala pang 3%.
Mahal pa rin.
Ha? Your interest is 3 times inflation? Sabihan mo yung bangko mo.
Palit ka ng bangko.
Di ba? Di ba?
Pag gusto nila ng
Ito
dollars
yung mga
dati,
ekek-ekek ng
Pag gusto
government,
nila ng dollars
SME,
dati
lending
kasi,
yan, at saka, nakakatulong ba yan?
Actually, we have DOST is
Oh.
helping us. They have just
We have,
soft loan.
Ano yun? Andyan, ano?
Yeah, we have the Department of Science and Technology helping us.
Ba't sila
in-
pumapasok dyan?
on
Science
the,
and technology.
Yeah, on the
Is
facilities.
it a science, ang furniture making?
Facilities.
There's a component na
Oh.
kailangan ng ma-intervention, like the machine, the technologies.
Machine.
And then, ang full support sa amin is the Design Center of the Philippines. And since we want to...
Tinetraining nila ang mga designers yun, design center?
We have
Or
several
they do
programs
designs
with
for
Design
you?
Center. We are sourcing designers from locally, and then yung mga programs na like the material manipulation program, yung different applications but same material. So yun yung kailangan natin, mga bago eh. And then we have the incubator program for the PIF show. Maraming programa.
The DOST, hindi ba pwede makakuha yan ng mga agreement, ODA sa Japan para bumili ng mga molds, makinarya, gano'n, turno?
Yeah, we are actually working on that. And actually, DTI, under the Shared Service Facility Program, meron din mga ina-award sa amin ng mga facilities. Depende kung ano yung kailangan namin.
Binibigyan kayo ng makinarya?
Yeah, may mga makinarya pong ibibigay sa amin for basic furniture production, for bamboo production.
Hindi kasi Vietnam naka-volume kayo. Paano hindi kayo pwede mag-volume?
We have some...
Pero naman naka 3 billion sila. Ilang ba population ng Vietnam?
Not
60 lang sila, di
not
ba?
everybody can afford to have this.
Well, maganda
machines.
siguro yung support
Ano,
na
yan?
maganda yung support ng
Nila,
government sa kanila. So parang everything fell into the right place.
Bottom line, what do you need or would like to
Para to a
request
rich Indonesia
from the
scale.
government? From the government.
well, from the government, what
Yun
we,
pa,
what
5
we
years
want,
lang.
from the government, what we want is more support with the marketing programs.
Marketing.
You know, when you generate the sale, a Filipino will look for a way to make the product. Whether he has to cut corners, borrow money, whatever it is, he will do it. Now, in terms of why Vietnam has overtaken us, because Vietnam was from the bottom. What was the market that they had to take away? They had to take away the furniture market from Indonesia, from the Philippines. Malaysia, when they wanted to take away the furniture industry from Indonesia and the Philippines, they mechanized. So they're totally machine-made. So when you
Vietnam
go when you go to Malaysia,
Mechanized.
their stop is like this. Everything is a straight line because the machine can only do straight lines.
Kung mechanized, di konti
So
lang
nakuha na nila.
wastage, no?
Nakuha na
So,
nila yung
scale.
makina na
Sila
yan,
yung
di
scale.
ba? Tapos pagdating dito sa Vietnam, sabi ng mga manufacturers, ang labor nyo ang gusto namin So can you get
Unmade.
government ang labor nyo ang kailangan namin kasi mababa pa yung labor ninyo. Yung technology kaya namin i-supply yan. Yung kahoy kaya
Ang
namin
Vietnam
i-supply
walang
yan.
minimum wage law.
I suppose they have.
Wala itong
I
after
suppose
6
they have,
months,
but
kailangan
they're
permanent na yung empleyado mo.
They're using the craft villages. They have craft villages. Yeah.
So very loose ang labor rules.
Yeah, and they are sourcing from different provinces. So, bawat province merong specialty.
Yung kamukha ng one
Okay,
town, one
Spiral
product.
Otop. So we're kind of similar. So you're going to continue this after the short break because we need to get that answer. We'll be right back. Welcome back. So
Yo.
Duke, mechanized Malaysia.
Yes.
Vietnam.
Vietnam had the labor, people willing to work, young labor willing to work. So furniture manufacturers, because they didn't set up their own companies. What happened there is like
May foreign partner sila.
hindi. Singaporean guys who are into export but have
Went there.
Yeah, they go there, they set up, they get a good deal from government. That ito yung ganon, we'll give you the land, we'll build you the factories, we'll give you the labor. So, which is the market that you're going to take? Now, let's take away the Filipino and the Indonesian market kasi yun ang most vulnerable.
Tayo ang punching bag nila.
Hindi, business is like that. What's the available
Bali
market
na
that we
tayo
need to
naging
grab in?
kampante.
They could
Tapos sadya
replicate
sabi
what
mo,
we're doing.
Vietnam organized villages to become furniture makers.
Yeah, craft villages. So there's consolidator in a key or in a hub in Vietnam,
Ginawa
and then
pala nila
marami
military
silang
operation
provinces.
na ginawa
So
nila.
may mga craft
Planning
villages
from
sila.
scratch ka kasi.
Mga backyard industries nila.
And you
So,
said about how many years ago they were doing only $100
yeah,
million?
8 to 10 years ago, they are just
10 years
exporting. They just exported 100 million US
Tayo, we were
dollars.
already exporting then.
We were then 385 million US
So
dollars.
we were almost 4 times Vietnam.
Yeah, 10 years
Today,
ago.
they are 3 times
They are
sila
now
sa atin.
4.6 billion, and now
Billion
we
na sila
are
4.6 billion.
And we are.
we are 230 million.
Diyos ko, 20 times na sila.
Kasi 5% lang ang ginawa nila eh. Let's take 5% from the Philippines, 5%
Para
from
makabuo ng
Indonesia.
100.
Para makabuo. So now they're servicing that
Kasi
particular niche.
sabi mo, Vietnamese furniture, paano tanong ano yun, di ba? At least pag tinanong mo, Philippine furniture, you know, right? Nara, rattan, di ba? Mga wickers.
But
And
that,
take
that,
Vietnamese furniture, they are more on commercial.
Commercial, paano yan? Paano yung commercial?
Mass produce.
Mass produce.
So they copy. They're like
Yeah,
the
they just
workhorse.
copy.
They copy
it's
and
not a,
they.
it's not a
Meron ba
copy.
silang makina yung
The
nagtatakpi-takpi
owner,
ng
the
mga
buyer- the
wood
buyer-
blocks?
the buyer has
Iniipit
the
nila,
design.
gano'n?
They have the CNC machines.
Meron,
Invested a lot.
The buyer has the design. He goes there and says, okay, I need
Gawin mo.
10,000 pieces of that table.
Bali yung furniture nila walang karakter.
Wala.
Walang imprint ng
Hindi, kasi
handmade
meron
or
na
ano.
existing market eh. So all they have to do, like,
Sino naman bumibili ng mga ganon?
A
Mga
lot.
condominium.
We are buying a lot from Vietnam. We are
Mga condominium, ganyan.
condominium,
That's their
restaurant.
business.
Crate
Okay.
and Barrel, Pottery
Yeah.
Barn, all of them they buy. Like in that particular instance, this Singaporean company that we visited, he originally set up in Malaysia.
Oh.
because he needed a straight line. Yung mga office furnitures, ganyan. So, nakuha na niya yan. Tapos, nag-set up siya sa China kasi kailangan niya leather with metal, glass na ganyan. Set up siya ng factory sa China kasi mura eh. And then, set up na naman siya sa Vietnam. In our last meeting with them,
Ano naman ang
when we
Vietnam?
visited
Kinuha
nila,
sa Vietnam?
isasarado na niya yung sa China niya. Kasi bakit? Mahal na daw ang
Vietnam
labor.
na lang siya.
So, Vietnam siya, naghahanap siya. Ngayon, since kasama namin yung Indonesian,
Pinapunta nyo rito.
kasama namin yung Indonesian during the meeting, sabi naman niya, I want to set up in Indonesia. So, yung Indonesian sabi, sige, I have the factories, I don't have the work, partner tayo. So,
Hindi mo lang siningit ang Philippines.
mahirap mag-partner sa Pilipinas kasi unang-una, anong may bibigay ko? Yung talent ko?
Craftsmanship.
His
Design.
designers, he has
Filipino.
22 Filipino designers
Yung
based in
Vietnamese?
Singapore. No, this company that is
Indonesian
putting
company?
up...
Indonesian company, may
Actually,
22 Filipino
No.
designers.
This Singaporean company that is setting
22
up
Filipino designers.
22 Filipino designers that are based in Singapore. So gagawin lang niya, sige, Filipinos, he doesn't have to come to the Philippines. Hinakbangan natin, Minak-Arthur tayo eh.
Import lang niya yung mga Pilipino
Yes,
natin.
sir.
Actually,
So-
lahat yan nasa ASEAN. Kasi Indonesia, they started
Puro mga
before.
Pilipino gumagawa
We
niya.
hired Filipino
Designers.
engineers, skilled people.
Adi okay sila, hindi na nila binili yung produkto. Sabi mo, design ang pinaka number one edge natin. They buy the design.
Yes.
The designers.
So how do we
Oh.
compete, gentlemen? How do we compete? What do
Ganyan
Filipinos
ginagawa
need to
nila,
do in order for us to help ourselves? How do we compete?
Actually, we struggle a lot. We try to compete the Indonesian, but the raw materials, number one. They have
Sa Indonesia, talo tayo sa raw material.
Yeah, a lot of
Sa
raw
Malaysia,
materials.
saan tayo talo?
Malaysia,
Mechanization. Sa
machineries
Singapore yan, talo tayo sa
naman. Singapore, they don't
Trading
have,
hub.
Singapore, may pera sila
they
eh.
don't have
money.
company or they don't
Pera
have
sila eh.
factories.
Paano na lang tayo uunlad ng ganyan?
Well,
Talo
we
tayo.
have the
our
industry
design.
knows
Yeah.
our
Our desi-
problems.
our
design.
The industry knows all the problems. No? And we just need the government to be the resource provider for us. We can lead the industry.
Paano resource provider?
Kasi parang ano yan eh, we need resources eh. We have the roadmap. We
What
have
kind of resources do you
we have the
Pera.
marketing campaign. So to answer your
marketing.
question a while ago, we have a marketing campaign for the ASEAN region. In fact, we want to also expand to alternative markets, to the BRICS market, Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa, aside from the traditional market. And now we're going again to the Japanese market. So lahat yan, naka-roadmap na eh, nakalinya na sa amin, but we need
Ang sa ASEAN.
resources.
Sa ASEAN.
Yeah. In ASEAN also, kasi we want to have a taste of the ASEAN market. We treat it as a local market nga, global but local. Because in 2015, para ka nang nag-export dyan sa Cebu, para ka nag-export sa Davao, di ba? So,
Walang tariff.
parang ganyan na yon, ganyan na kadali. But yung roadmap natin, nawawalan siya ng saysay kung wala naman kami makukuhang resources. Di ba? Our competitors from all around the Asia or ASEAN region, fully supported sila.
So yung resources ay, one, marketing.
Yeah, marketing, we
Marketing.
are actually requesting for a 1 billion
From government.
funding.
1 billion.
Napakaliit lang na funding.
billion.
So,
Yeah,
1
we
billion.
got that from GMA also.
Yeah,
When
we got
asked-
that.
We
yeah.
got that from...
Nagamit yun yung 1 billion. Ngayon,
We got only 25% of the 1 billion in
250.
GMA's time because
Saan nyo ginamit?
we use it sa mga promotion. So
Promotion.
trade fairs, missions. Kaso lang, naputol. Ang gusto sana namin, yung buong 1 billion, kasi nandyan yung programa eh. Kung puputulin mo rin yung 1 billion, hilaw din yung magiging programa. So we want to target 10 to 15%
O ba't
growth.
hindi yung puntahan si Greg Domingo?
We actually,
Bibigay yung balance eh.
First
No,
year pa lang, nandun na kami.
we're now lobbying for 1 billion export fund. In fact, it's with the Export Development Council now. So we want 600 million for trade fair promotions, international trade fair participation. We need 300 million more for business missions, study missions, or business matching programs abroad. And then we need 100 million pa for advanced facilities. Yan nga, yung mga CNC machines, veneering facilities. So,
Ano
to
ba ibig
improve
sabihin
the
ng CNC?
production. Computer numerically controlled machine.
Parang CAD.
Yeah.
yeah.
Computer-aided design.
Computer aided
Gagawa.
design na
So
mabilis
if
na.
you have
computer.
this money, what would be the return if the government is saying, so how,
Eh,
this money will give you...
Bira mo Vietnam eh.
In terms of employment, siguro mga 4 employees per $10,000 US.
Every $10,000
Ang
US dollars that we export.
Ang mababa lang ang ano ninyo, labor generation cost.
Kasi malaki na yung current eh. So yung existing employees mo, which is 2.1 million,
Kasi some factories
may
takes about
additional.
So
2
that's more
million
effective.
to create
That's what you're saying.
one
It's more effective.
labor. Eh, no?
It's more effective
One
kasi
job,
we are
4 million.
employing mga workers from the rural areas, yung mga
Yes.
subcontractors namin. So, yung mga yung mga tao na nasa regions na hindi naman pwedeng i-employ ng electronics industry, hindi pwede employ ng call centers.
this is kind of
kami yung pwedeng
more
mag-employ
inclusive growth
sa
pa nga.
kanila.
Yes,
More
yes.
inclusive growth.
Inclusive
All right, we're
growth,
going to
yeah.
continue this discussion. We'll be right back. You're watching this news. And welcome back. All right, Duke. Let's talk about this. How can we help ourselves?
This is your 30th year of the show.
Yes.
30th year. And what do you expect this time?
Well,
You said 9,000 visitors?
yes.
Okay. Of whom about 3,000 will be from abroad.
Yes, will be foreign.
And this foreign will make how much in orders? Please, how much in?
Hopefully more than last year. Which last year they only placed, I think, about 10 million.
10 million lang?
What's the profile of the buyers?
Well, the profile of the buyers is
European, American.
American. Majority is American. We're hoping to get a lot of Japanese.
South America.
Because as you know, they're the ones who are going to do the Olympics after Brazil.
Japanese.
So, nandyan yan. And then we have a lot of South Americans.
South America?
South
Ganun
America.
kalayo?
Oo.
Brazilians?
Hopefully, we'll get back the guys
good.
from the Middle East because the
Mga
guys from
Arabo?
the Middle
Yeah.
yung mga Arabo. But
Who
more
are
than
these
that,
guys?
more
They
than
are
that,
end
more
users or
more than
retail?
more than that, the local market is imperative for us because the Philippine market now is very strong.
Very strong.
It's very strong. And we are the first international show of the year. In fact, the first show of in the Philippines. So designers who sign their contracts for projects in February, first quarter,
Yeah.
are all looking for new ideas.
So pupuntahan kayo?
They come to this show. They come and they look at stuff. Not that saying that ito yung gagamitin ko kasi ang sasabihin itong idea na ito. But since this is the manufacturer, I want this piece that big, that high. So it's
These are designers of the condo developers.
designers, architects, anybody that has work. And because you can see that there's work in the local industry. So they're all looking for new ideas. Every time a restaurant goes up, it's not going to be a chain. Ito yung restaurant, it is going to be different from the next one, from the next. So we're expecting that. And then hopefully, if the economy goes well, we'll have another show. We join the
This
furniture
year then,
industry.
this year then?
No, the furniture industry organizes also the
local market.
hotel show.
Hotels.
And then we join the Philconstruct. So we try and tie up with as
Construction
many,
materials naman yan,
as
no?
many people as is humanly possible. But in our show, you're going to get an invitation like this. You can register online, not before it's too late. But if you can't, you have to pay 500 pesos.
500 per
yes,
person.
you were asking me last time, 500 pesos, bakit naman? Why so expensive? If you cannot afford, if you do not have a car, you can't afford our furniture. If you can't afford to pay 40 pesos parking, you can't afford our furniture.
Pero may discount naman mga estudyante.
The students, yes, they have a discount. But most of all is if you're a regular, like interior designers, architects, if you're in our database, we will mail you your ID. So you don't even have to register. Your ID will come in the mail. You put your ID into the jacket and just walk into the
So how
show.
many furniture makers are participating?
We expect about 100, 110, I think.
110, and they will showcase how many pieces of furniture?
Well, depends.
Depends.
Yes, if you talk about Kenneth, he has a booth that's 36 square meters and he has 2 pieces of furniture.
36 ang kanya. So, in terms of space, yun ang pinakamalaking kinuha.
We have about 200 square meter.
Sino yun? Sino yun?
Si Far East
I
yun?
think Far East Furniture.
Far East.
Some is foreign investors. Yeah,
Sino pa? Yung mga more than
Diretso.
Ano?
Diretso is also a foreigner.
Diretso.
Yes. They have 100, more than 100.
So we
100, mga
How about you, Reggie?
tatlong sala bibirahin nun.
Yeah, we are only about 50
50 square meters.
50 square meters.
Ano, parang hotel room?
It's okay with us.
Parang hotel room lang yan. Na
Yeah.
above
you
standard.
don't
We
have
have-
to
we
show
have-
everything. If you don't make an impression at the first glance,
Yeah.
Wala.
wala.
Actually, we have regular buyers coming.
So, kailangan talaga bongga yung ano mo.
Oh, bongga talaga.
And now we are expecting the export market. Actually, it started last 2 years when this Cebu, Manila, and Pampanga merged the show because for the last 3 years, or more than 10 years, we are 2 shows in the Philippines. 2 small shows. No? So the buyers have that problem because going to small shows is not.
They go to Cebu.
But this
and
one is
Manila.
going to be the biggest furniture show.
It has been
In
for the last
in the Philippines.
three
Wala
years.
kayong makalaw. Yung sa Sitem, ano naman yun?
Sitems is a gifts and houseware
Gifts and
show
houseware.
that's run by
So purely
by the
furniture.
government.
And
It's run by the government. In fact, we tried to merge it. We've been working with it together side by side for 3. The only problem with the Sitem exhibitors is that their circuit is in a different month.
Different.
Kasi
Hindi
ang buying
synchronized.
cycle ng
Hindi
gifts and
synchronized.
houseware, Christmas
April.
decor, is a
Yeah.
different cycle from ours. So sometimes it's unfair for us to ask the exhibitors, the
Gifts and houseware, kasama na
to join.
dyan mga pulseras,
Yeah.
necklace, lalagyan ng relo, jewelry,
But that industry
boxes.
is also suffering, and that industry
Suffering?
employs a lot of people kasi handmade lahat yan. You know, and then that's why when you look at
Ang
us,
gaganda ng production
when you look
nila,
at
mga
us, when you look
mother
at
of
us,
pearl
sasabihin
cases,
mo,
no?
oh, mayayaman yan sila. Hindi totoo yan. That's why
Pero
government
mahal
should
ang
take a
mother of
look
pearl
at us.
cases nila, 2,000, grabe ha.
Government should
Mas
take a
mahal
look
pa
at
doon sila
us.
lagyan mong jewelry.
It's a lot of it's different.
Yeah.
It's different products from the Sitem or the handicraft industry. Actually the handicraft industry, let's say the baskets, hampers, they're selling well at the time of crisis in the U.S. market.
Selling well ang mga
Selling well, yes,
baskets.
because it's only about $10, $20, $15.
Kita ko,
Unlike
meron
the
pang
furniture, you
binibenta,
have to
dating
invest.
You have to
burial
invest
basket.
a lot.
no?
It's a
Kala
larger
sa Monte
investment.
Carlo.
Yeah.
No, it's not the first priority. No, furniture is second. So that is the state.
So our
Anyway, the business-
our cycle is only in March.
Joke. Anyway, the business, furniture business, is growing in spite of our real problems.
Yes,
In
it's
spite of stiffening competition.
Oh, we're surviving.
You are growing by how much per year?
I don't know.
How many
Like
percent?
$874 million kayo ngayon.
Yeah.
That's almost about 40 billion pesos. No? So you are growing by how much? You should be growing twice the rate of the population growth. So you should be growing at least 5% per year.
In 2012, we exported 145 million. And then last year,
That's an increase of how much?
last
That's a
year
decrease.
is 231 million.
Oh, that's
it's,
very good, ah.
It's 35%
Oh,
increase.
that's very good.
Yeah.
That's more than 35.
But, syempre, mas tataas pa sana yun. Mas marami pa kami may employ kung may support. Kasi kung wala nga support, we're growing at 30%.
Kasi
Anyway,
the-
Duke,
the local-
you make a last-minute plug for your furniture show.
Yeah.
It's the most successful, the finest pieces of furniture ever made by a Filipino can be seen in this exhibit.
Yes,
Diba?
it's at the
March
it's at the SMX.
14 to
It's at the
17.
SMX, March 14 to 17. We hope to see you there.
And please bring your 500 pesos.
No, but if you have an invitation card or if you register online, we'll have you. You're very welcome.
Well, good luck to your show. And,
We wish you, actually, all of us, more power, huh?
Thank you.
Oh,
Thank you.
yes.
Thank
And
you.
luck, perseverance.
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you.
Now, if we could only get government to lead.
There you go. That's that's the last request, huh?
Yeah.
All right, you watch another episode of Biz News. I'm Elizabeth Lee together with Tony Lopez. See us every Monday at 7 p.m. We'll see you again next week. Have a good night. God bless. Thanks for joining us.